welcome back to my channel. So my name is Nayana and today I'll be doing one of the challenges that had been floating the internet a while back, which is the Ugly Location Photoshoot challenge. All the locations that I have spotted to try out this challenge at are not really ugly, but they're not the conventional type of location at all. So now I'm gonna take all of you outside along with me and let's see where this challenge takes us. So for this video, we have a lot of photo shoot planned out, and to help me with this photo shoot, I have here a brilliant photographer. Let me introduce you to Yedu.
Hi.
Yedu's got a really good Instagram feed, so I'm gonna link his Instagram profile in the description box below. So make sure that you check his profile out and make sure that you follow him because he's got some really great content. So now let's just head out for the shoot.
Sure.
Alright. Okay, so the first location basically was this construction site which I had seen. It had a lot of cement and bricks and everything all around the place. But when me and Yedu went to the location early morning around 6:30 to 7, it had already gotten started, so we had to find an alternative. But we found this empty plot where there was a lot of cars parked there, and this whole wall which was made of bricks, which was quite dirty, and on top of that there was one car which caught both of our eyes, which was a Contessa car, which is one of those old retro cars right now. And the plot looked very interesting because of that brick wall on the end. But we did not think how amazing it's gonna end up, and both of us loved how all the pics turned out. So I'm gonna show you some of my favorite pictures from that location. For the next location, I thought of this railway station. The footover bridge had colors on its steps, so I thought that I could just sit on those steps and get some shots taken. But as me and Yedu went to the railway station, we saw these two cleaning ladies there who told Yedu that it would get us into trouble if we tried taking photos there without permission. Because of that, we both didn't want to take the chance, so we had to chuck the idea of the station. And then while we were passing the railway station, I saw these group of auto drivers standing there. They were just chit-chatting and just being idle there. And so then we asked the auto drivers. They were very sweet. They did not say anything. They just shifted from the auto and let us take as many shots as we wanted. They did not intrude, they did not interrupt, they did not stare or anything. They were very, very civil. They let us do our thing. I'm very, very thankful to those auto guys who were very, very genuinely nice and let us take the time to get those shots done. And again, I have a lot of favorites from that shot, and here that goes. So the third location was a vegetable store that I had noted down, and I thought it would be really nice to try to get some shoot done in that store. Again, not very neat or tidy. It was around 9 o'clock in the morning, but the store was not open yet. So again, that was another disappointment. On that road, we found another better looking store, and this was a fruit stall. It was a beautifully colorful store. When I asked the stall owner whether he was okay in letting us take a couple of shots, he was completely chilled out. This stall owner was also super kind and let us take photos for as long as we needed. And that was super generous of him, because even though customers were coming, he did not shoo us away. We got some brilliant shoots at this location, so go ahead and check it out. So this location location me and Yedu, both of us spotted on the way to that vegetable store. And when we saw it, we knew that we had to take a photo shoot over there. We already fixed on that when we went to that vegetable store. When we asked those fellows there, they were super sweet. I have to say, I'm really touched by all the kindness that we received from all these places that we went to. So here are some of my favorites from this location. That was all the locations that we found. So those 3 locations that we got before this coconut one were very super unexpected. We did not think that it would turn out so well. So comment below and let me know which was your favorite photo shoot of the 4. I would definitely love to know that. So if you did enjoy this video, please do give this video a thumbs up, because it would really mean a lot to us, because both me and Yedu put a lot of work into this video. Also share this video with any of your friends or family who might enjoy this kind of content. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button so that you can see more of my videos every week. So thank you so much for watching till now. So I'll see you again next time with another video. So till then, bye bye.